What's going on? Here we go. We're going back at them again with another fruit video, YouTube. Now, I was gonna do this earlier, but I left. When I grabbed it, you see how this one's nice and yellow. Doesn't have too much green on it. The last one I grabbed was a little bit, less ripe. So when I did it, I let it sit on top of the refrigerator. I'm like, all right, cool. We're gonna let it sit for just a little bit. And I picked it up a few days ago, and it was all white, nasty, and moldy, right? So when you're gonna get these, if they're ripe, you gotta eat them right away. This is gonna be the papaya video. I know you can see that from the title, but that's what this is if you can't tell what's in my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into this. And yeah, y'all, we'll give it that fruit score at the end. I'm going on the look, the smell, and the taste, and then how easy it is to get into this thing. So usually when I see this, it's always cut down the middle. So got my big hack blade. We're just gonna cut it right down the center. Let's see. Always remember, use a little clawed grip. So that's one thing I remember from culinary class. Use your clawed grip when you're trying to see what's going on. Not trying to cut yourself or nothing like that. Ooh. That's one of the smoothest cuts right there. Alright. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I've had papaya before, but I've never actually handled it, while it's whole. Alright, so we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna let you guys see it, and I'll just get the secondhand view. But here we go. Ooh, oh, alright. First hand view. Oh man, now I'm dropping seeds all on the floor. But alright, you guys see how that looks? It's nice, like really orange on the outside, and then it gets a little bit kind of like a deep dark reddish orange on there, and then we got the seeds. Smell? It doesn't have a strong smell. I'm gonna put that out there. Oh, actually, after you get in there, it does. It smells good though. It's been a long time since I've had papaya, and I've probably never had it fresh. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a spoon. I guess really, you're going to need two tools. You're going to need your big hack knife and a nice plastic spoon. That's all you need. Now, where did that hack knife come from, right? Well, I was one of those kids that you saw running around. It wasn't even high school. I think they got me like my first year of college, and it was like they said for 1 month during like winter break, you just sell some cutlery and see how you do. It was for Cutco or vector marketing, so everybody has a story with that. Was it weird at first? Yeah, but I don't know, the knives that I got from there, you do your couple of little challenges or whatever they had, you winning knives and stuff like that. The knives they're exactly what they say it is, Alright, so I'm trying to just get this all out. It kind of reminds me of it's damn near like a pumpkin at this point, but you're just scraping all that out. There's a lot of seeds in here too. Ooh! Alright, I'm gonna save a few of these, and I'm gonna try and grow a papaya. I don't know if that'll work or not, and I don't know if that's in line with this channel and what I'm trying to do. But why not? It seems cool. But yeah, it feels like I'm scraping like a pumpkin. So you just get all those seeds together. Try and get all of them. Some of them are really deep in the meat of the fruit. Alright, now I'm over here getting my sweater all messed up. Alright, there we go. Alright, boom. Throw these in the trash. I don't know how much space you need to actually grow a papaya. That's what it looks like without any seeds in it. Right? But I don't, like I don't know if a small plant inside of an apartment is really gonna yield anything. But I'm gonna try it, and then I'm gonna let you guys, be the judge of that one. End up with a whole bunch of midget plants, midget fruit. All right. So I'm gonna bag and tag what I got, and then I'm gonna do the other side later, because obviously you guys already know what I'm gonna do with that, right? So do the exact same thing. Bag and tag some of these seeds, because I got that green thumb. Alright, we're just gonna lean this over the edge. I think it'd be funny though, trying to grow every different type of fruit you guys see me over here trying to eat, and all these rare fruit, and not rare fruits, but just not your normal typical fruit. And yes, I will mix a couple regular fruit in here eventually, because hey, it might be a little hard to, get more and more crazy fruits, but stay consistent with it. See where it turns up. I've seen a lot of different people out there with just crazy different fruits, so they're out there. Oh, you know what I'm getting into after this, boy. I'm gonna throw some of this in there. That's why I haven't blended it up yet. All right. So take your finished papaya. I'm gonna do two different methods for you guys. So I'm gonna cut this in half, and then I'm gonna, kind of fillet the skin off, and then I also want to see if I can do a peeler, because the video that I saw, I believe it was Rihanna's Cuisine, it just looked a little difficult while she was trying to get the skin off. So I want to see if I can do it different for y'all. That way you guys have everything that you need to do it at home easier. And like I said, do it before it gets all nasty. Man, I was hurt. Oh, I was so hurt when I wanted to do that video. Came up on it, and where is it at? Nope, gotta be thrown away. Get my little sample size in real quick. Alright, so the look, it's a really pretty color. You can't deny that type of color. A nice red fruit on the inside. Smells really good. It doesn't have like a weird smell to it or anything. Not really strong, but it's just pleasant. It's not bad. I'm sure it's another melon, and it has a lot of different health benefits. If you go into Rihanna's Cuisine, she'll tell you all the B12s and the vitamins and nourishment and all that's in there. But I know y'all just came for the taste test and the fruit score. So here we go. It's really smooth. It's not like really tough. Yeah, I could just eat that right off the skin. So if you guys want to do that, you can. Trying to figure out the best way to get this out of the skin, but I'm thinking, I mean, nice flat surface. I'm just gonna go in with the V cut. That's my favorite thing to do with fruit. Just get it down. Chop, 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 chop. Alright, yep. So, strong V. Alright. Wow. Just kind of melted off the side. It's pretty cool. Alright. And I'm sure there's a thin sliver on this other side. Not really. I mean, if you work your knife into it, it's coming off. You see that? And I mean, these knives are super sharp, so that does help. Ooh, alright, that got a little slimy on the inside. So yeah. We're just gonna chop it up, get it in the bits. hopefully you guys can get that. I'm just gonna pick y'all up. Wipe my hands off, so that way you guys can get all up in there. All right, there you go. Get out the light. Boom. Would you see that? Super easy to cut. Super easy. Boom. Ooh, that looks so good on camera. All right. Now, let's try to skin this mug. All right. So we're gonna flip this over. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. It's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but let me see. So that's not really gonna work. Maybe. Oh. All right, so peeling doesn't work. I'm not gonna recommend that. But yeah, like I said, like I did before, just do a nice V cut, just like I did with this one. Chop it all up. I'm just gonna put it in this cup. That way everything is nice and clean and in order. Get one final chop with that. What? That Cutco knife? No, and this isn't a commercial either, but you know, hey, if y'all want to hit that sponsorship, I'm not gonna knock y'all for that one. All right. So load it up. Save me 2 little slices for the actual fruit score. All right. Not the easiest fruit to pick up. All right, here we go again. So this way we have one from the actual center, and we're gonna see what this does. If you can tell, I love my fruit. All right. Not super flavorful. Not the most flavorful fruit. It does taste good. Let me see. All right. So I gave you guys sight. If I saw this thing and I was on a lost island, desert island or something like that, taking that over with. So I'm gonna give it like a nice. The seeds look weird though, so we're gonna go with like a. I'm gonna go with like a 6. I'll give it more than that. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably like an 8 on the look scale. If you just saw this, you cut it open, it looks delicious. All right. Smell, because it doesn't have a strong like fruity type of smell like the Paloma did, or like, you know, pears or pineapples, kiwi. It doesn't have that type of strong smell. Very, very light. I gotta give it like a 3 on the smell scale. If I'm being honest, it's not like, it doesn't smell like nothing, but it's not like that. Ooh, I need that. So I gave you guys sight, smell, taste. It's not very sweet. Maybe it's just this one, you know, like when you give them in the little fruit cups, you know, they're encased in sugar. So it's a little bit different, but so it's like a 5 on the taste scale. I know that's kind of shocking to people, but I gotta give it what I think it is, you know. And hey, when you guys go out there and get it, you know, you can rate it something different. But yeah, right now, it's like a 5. I mean, I could take it or leave it. But I'm definitely gonna end up putting it in the smoothies and blending it all up in there so I get those health benefits. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all sticking it in there with me, tasting that fruit, cutting it up, slicing it, failing to actually be able to peel it. So yeah, knife is definitely the easiest way to go ahead and cut that up. So good luck, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it, cutting up your papayas. Later.